Hello friends, what we have here today is an American DJ Pocket Pro. I just got a message from a friend that they're having problem with their tilt, and what I'm going to show you is what to look for only if it's out of warranty. If it's out of warranty, it doesn't hurt to take a look, and here is what you're going to look for. Let me pan up a little bit. Now don't do this while it's plugged in, but you can see right in here there's a silver part. There isn't one on the other side, but over here, that's the motor. So that's the side that we want to take. There's 4 screws that on 2 on each side. I've already taken them out over here and off with the cover. So we've got the cover off. And look at what we have here. You can see it's a cogged belt with 2 cogged pulleys. The top pulley is fastened with these 4 screws, and the bottom one is a cogged pulley, and it is on the motor shaft. And I'll tilt this way, and let's get right in here. You see there's set screws, and they may have come loose. I've seen that happen before. And I've seen where, I don't know how they break the belts, but I've seen it. Now, the only other thing that I have seen on various different types of lights is if it's out of warranty, and now, like I said, you can take these screws off and get underneath. And there is a Molex connector that comes from the motor. And through vibration and transportation, or maybe it was dropped, I don't know, they come apart. If it did come apart, maybe that locking tab is broken, you can put that back in, use a little bit of hot glue to hold that plug back together again, and you could possibly be back into operation again. So that's all I have for you now. I wish you all some success in the future here, and have some good gigs and have some smiles. See you next time.